Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to improve query performance using the eager loading. So let's get started with the simple example. So simply I created a list of posts. With that I just display the author name. Here is the title and body. Okay, so let me show you as well a database. So you can see that I simply created one users table first. You can see that, and I created a post table. Inside the post table I simply add the user ID. You can see that, and that connected with the like post. So user ID, that means the author ID. So if I go here, I simply define into the post controller there is a belongs to relationship, and you can see the user is connected with that. Okay, and simply go to the controller. I simply get like post list of all post with the pagination, and simply go here and for each loop and add the pagination. Okay, so it's working fine and it's all the things good, but let's see how query running in the background. So let me go and enable the database debugger. So you can see that here in the background there is a one query, like select count for the pagination, then select the post with the limit 10 offset 0. Then you can see the each row they are finding another query because of the relationship. So you can see that right now we have a like 8 posts, so 8 query, like you have a like 10 post or like 20 post or 50 post, it will run in the background 50 query. So it can cause the problem when we you have a like 1 lakh users or 10,000 users, more than that users, then that can be cause and loading problem. So we can resolve this issue by using the eager loading. So Laravel Eloquent already provide eager loading and how to prevent it. So we can use, you can see here, we can use with function of the eloquent, and we can load all the users in a single query. So let me go here and let me do that in the controller. So we are already getting from user object and like this way. So we need to keep that one, but here just we need to define with and user, because we have a just one user, and just save it. And let me go here and let me go back and simply refresh it. Yeah, you can see that, you can see in the single query. So like if you have a one page has a 25 records, then you can easily in the single query it's loaded. So it make it more faster. You don't have to like query and like there is a problem in letter. So you can ignore by eager loading. So if you like this video, then please like, and thank you for the watching. Thanks so much.